Hello, this is the demo for restaurant recommendation using Yelp Dataset. This is our application on Bloomix, and this is our questionnaire page. So while the questions will look random and fun, they're not. We are using Personality Insights API from IBM Watson, and that gives us a number of personality features like openness, emotional range, agreeableness, what a user might value, like self transcendence or self preservation, and what a user emotionally need, like challenges, practicality, ideals, and many things like that. So, these questions are a way of modeling a user and according to those personality types so that we can match users of similar personalities and recommend restaurants that those similar type of users would like. So without much further ado, let's go about showing how this goes. And so let's just use a few options here. And yeah, we're done. So we click submit, and processing takes time because we use models like NLTK and their NLTK data, and furthermore, it's on a Bluemix Ray instance, so the CPU memory is limited, and that is why the processing will take some time. And yes. So, a kind reminder that we get the images from the Bing Search API that is there on Microsoft Cognitive Services. So we have no control on what images Bing would send us. We simply send a query to Bing using the restaurant name, and our restaurants are limited to the city of Pittsburgh. So as you can see, this is the images. We even show the Yelp rating. This is the word cloud. Now, how do we get a word cloud? We have stored information about businesses in a JSON format on a MongoDB instance, and in that JSON, we have even stored review text of businesses. And we use that review text and we use NLTK to parse the data to extract important food related and cuisine related words and important words, and we generate a word cloud using that, and hence you can see words like popcorn, sweet, or barbecue, and beef, and things like that. And so this is again a reminder that we have no control over the images. And here this is another example. You can see seafood or cream, Bavarian, cherry, cheesecake, and things like that. And this is a recommendation of a taco stand. Now, when we model users, we even try to model their price range. What would they like to spend on their food? And in this case, we can see things like brunch or chorizo, spice, lamb, tortilla, and things like that. Basically, word cloud intends to visualize what a user might like to see about the restaurant information in a visual kind of a way. Again, we have words like lentil soup, and this is the last recommendation where we have pepper, eggplant, risotto, sandwich, and words like that. This was one example. We can even show another one. For this one, we'll try a different set of combinations in order to model a different kind of a user. And again, the processing might take a few minutes. And There are a number of things done. MongoDB has been querying, the NLTK is passing the data and tokenizing it, and that is why it takes so much time to do this. And plus the limited memory again. And this is the recommendations for another set of users, in which the modeling that we've done, one of the restaurants is common for both of them and a few of them. And again, we see word cloud with seafood, cheesecake. The word cloud is used using a random generator, hence it will always come different, even if it's made using the same review text. And here are a few different restaurants. In this, we might have modeled the user to like something trendy, and hence it has a word cloud which shows sushi and seafood and things like that. Again, the taco stand, because when modeling a user, we might get different kinds of pointers from them, and we recommend restaurants based on that. And again, another kind of a different restaurant where we have things like cashew, juice, vegan, and things like that. And this is how we recommend restaurants, and this demo showed how we model two types of users, and we got their restaurant recommendations for them. Thank you.